Hey, it's Andrew Brown. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the workflow commands that we can utilize. I don't know if I have a script for this, but we'll hit period here and open up the GitHub examples repo I keep working with. And what we'll do is take a look here and see maybe if I have one. I could have one in here. I didn't make something for everything here. I don't think so. That's totally fine because it's our opportunity to finally create some scripts by hand. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete these ones out of here. I'm going to make a new workflow script. I'm not going to give you this one so that you have to do a little bit of work yourself, as you should learn how to write this stuff by hand. So we'll say name, and we'll just say workflow commands. And then from there, we have, was it jobs? And we have our job. I already forgot what it's supposed to be. Jobs, yeah, the name of the job. So we'll just say my job. My job. And then we'll say runs on Ubuntu latest. So we'll try a really easy one first. And what I'm thinking here is that we can have a steps, and this will have a name. And we'll just call this group logging. We'll try this one first. So here we'll do this. If you don't know this pipe, this is when you want to have a multi-line. Each line is treated as a new line in YAML. That's not specific to GitHub Actions. It's just a YAML thing. And so we'll use this group. Say my group message. And then we'll end the group down below. And we'll say MSG1, MSG2. All right, so we have all of those in there. It's not runs, it's run. And so I think that this will work as our initial one. So we'll go ahead and try this and just say workflow command. Oh, we actually have to tell it how it's going to do it. So we'll go up here and just say on. And we'll just put in push here. Again, I like to use this expanded format, but not always. It doesn't always matter. So we'll go ahead and do this. And we'll just say workflow commands example. And it looks all good to me. And we'll go ahead and commit and push it. And I think I can go here, yeah, open the repo here. We'll go over to actions. And then we'll see if that executes. Yep, did group logging. There we go, there's our group. Cool, whatever. All right, so we'll go back to here, and I'm just trying to think of ones that are actually valuable that might come up. I think like set and vars is a really good one to have. So what I'll do is we'll have like one step here, another step there. So this one's fine, but we'll go here and just say step 1, and then we'll have step 2. And I'm just going to clear this out and clear this out. You can always do that. Like if you always want to have it on a new line, you can always do it this way. I like to do that quite often. And we'll just say something like my val, hello. And the idea is that we will then add that to the GitHub env. And so the idea is that this value, my val, should be now accessible down here. So I would imagine we could probably do echo and then say $ my val. And we'll see what happens here. So hopefully that works. But that looks fine to me. GitHub env, all spelled correctly. So we'll test in envar in other steps. All right, we'll commit that. Looks good. We'll go back over to here. And hopefully it works. We'll just wait for that to work. All right, so we'll click into here. And we'll go into my job. And we'll check step 1. So we shouldn't really expect to see much here. It shows that it ran that file. We'll go to step 2, and it echoes it out. So I think that is sufficient for run commands. Obviously, there is more than just those ones, like GitHub path and output and other things. But I think this is good enough. And so we'll call this one done. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.